Would you like to learn how to crochet the waffle stitch? Well, let me show you how to do that. It is super easy and super fast. Now, let's see what you're going to use this stitch for. So let me teach you how to do it. Here we go. In order to crochet the waffle stitch, you're going to chain a multiple of 3 plus 2. There are different versions out there for the waffle stitch. Some have 2 double crochets between the front post double crochets and some have only 1. I'm going to teach you to have 2 double crochets in between to have more of a square-like waffle stitch. We're going to start with a row of just double crochet, and you're going to start in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I like going into the back bump because it makes a cleaner bottom edge of the project. From there, you're going to simply crochet 1 double crochet in each chain, and then you're going to turn, and then we're going to start row 2. This is how row 1 looks like. Now for row 2, you're going to start either with a chain of 2 or 3, depending on which one you like, and count as a double crochet, or you do it like me. I like doing the alternative turning chain, which also counts as a double crochet. So you're going to start making a single crochet if you're doing the alternative turning chain, and then you're inserting it in the loop that is closest to your yarn finger, and insert, pull through, and then do another single crochet. The alternative turning chain is also known as a stacked single crochet stitch. So for 2 single crochets, it counts as a double crochet. Now you're going to place a front post double crochet in the next stitch, like so. And then in the next 2 stitches, you're going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now you're going to repeat that until the last 2 stitches, and that includes the turning chain over here. Once you reached the last 2 stitches, you're going to crochet 1 more front post double crochet. And you're going to finish it up with a double crochet on top of the turning chain. This is how row 2 looks like now. You're going to have these areas that are a little bit inwards, right? There's so 2 double crochets. As I mentioned before, there are alternatives out there where it's just 1 of them. So now we're going to turn, and we're going to crochet row 3. Row 3 starts the same way as the row 2. So either a chain of 2 or 3, depending on which you like, if you're counting it as a double crochet, or you do it like me. I like doing the alternative turning chain. Again, it counts as a double crochet. Now you're going to crochet 1 double crochet and 2 front post double crochets. So 1 in each stitch of the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. So now you're going to repeat that. 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, and repeat until the last 2 stitches. Once you reach the last 2 stitches, you're going to place 1 double crochet in each. And remember, one of the stitches is the alternative turning chain, or simply the last stitch, which was the turning chain. It could be a chain of 2 or 3, depending on which one you made. Now, once you turn around, you're going to see how the pattern is starting to develop. What you're now going to do is you're going to repeat row 2 and 3 over and over again to establish the full-on pattern of the waffle stitch. Here you can see I added 2 more rows to my swatch where you're really now going to start to see the waffle stitch appear in its beautiful texture of having lower areas and higher areas, which of course reminds you of a waffle that you might eat for breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this stitch tutorial. Let me know down below of what you're going to use this stitch tutorial for. I also have a cowl pattern using the waffle stitch, so be sure to check that out at the link down below in the description. If you love crochet tips and tricks, be sure to check out my newsletter because you can sign up for that and get 8 crochet tips and tricks sent to your email right now. So check the link down below in the description for that. If you love this tutorial, I would highly recommend you share this video with your crochet friends because sharing is caring, right? Be sure to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. I have hundreds of crochet tips and tricks as well as patterns and tutorials I would love for you to check out and not miss out. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!